Hello guys, good morning. I'm here in Galleria Mall. This is my favorite place to see. You know that? The stairs with the water in it. Instead of people pass by the stairs, it's a water. That's my favorite things. That's why I'm coming here. I wanna see the Christmas decor here, but I don't know which place. Later I'm gonna ask the guard later, but I wanna walk beside the sea. So I'll come back later after I walking in the seaside. I asked the guard where is their Christmas decor. I need to go out so that I can see the water in the stairs outside. At the same time, I'm gonna walking beside the sea. I'm walking beside the sea. I remove my jacket because outside is cold. Oh, where's the going out?